Welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to make a line following robot. We are going to use Arduino board here and two IR sensors. We are going to place two IR sensors for our robot. Let us see how this IR sensor will work. This is going to eject some light on the object. If there is any object, then light will be reflected. Automatically, our sensor will capture that light. If there is no object, then there will be no reflection of light, so our sensor cannot capture any light. If the object is in dark color, if it is in black color, then also light will not be reflected. Any light colors will reflect the light, but the dark color objects will not reflect the light. We are going to place two sensors. Here, another sensor will be here. One is left side and the right side. And we are going to place this car between this line. For example, it starts moving because there will be a white color background and the line will be in black color. The line will be in black color. If you release here, automatically it starts moving in the straight line. For example, if it finds any obstacle in the left side motor will stop working. Automatically it turns to the left side because there will be no obstacle in the right side, and it moves and it goes straight. After some time it finds obstacle in the right side because there will be one more line here, but there will be no obstacle in the left side. Automatically it starts moving to the right side and it starts moving forward. That means both motors will work if there is no obstacle, and if there is any obstacle in the left side, right side motor will continue moving and left side motor will stop. If there is any obstacle in the right side motor will stop working. Now let us see the code and let us see the output.
Before going for the live demonstration, we should look the programming part. So coming to the program, here we are using two sensors. So these two sensors are configured as inputs and the sensors are connected to 8th and 9th pin of Arduino. And coming to the output devices, we are going to use motors. So motors are connected to 4, 5, 6, 7 and they are configured as outputs since they are output devices. Now by using two variables, that is LS and RS, left sensor and right sensor, I'm going to store the status of the two sensors. So by using the digital read function, we are going to read the status and storing the status in the two variables, that is LS and RS. So whenever left sensor and right sensor is low, that means both sensors are on the black line, robot will stop. So this is the stop condition for the robot. And coming to one more condition, that is whenever left sensor is high and right sensor is low, at that time robot should take left turn. So this is the condition for the left turn. Similarly, when LS is low and RS is high, it will take right. When both sensors are high, it will move forward. This is the logic of our line following robot. Now we will see the practical one. The orange one here is connected to the ground of the L293D IC and it is connected to the ground of the Arduino. When you are using only one supply, then there is no need of using this common ground wire. Next, coming to the connections with the Arduino sensors. Here every sensor will have three terminals. The output of the sensor is connected to 8th digital pin and output of the right sensor is connected to 9th digital pin, and motors are connected with 4, 5, 6, 7 digital pins of the Arduino. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines are for motors and these 2 yellow and green are for the 2 sensors. Now Arduino will continuously monitor the 8th and 9th pin, and it will generate some specific output for the motor driver. This is the motor driver, so that motor will rotate according to the signal received by the Arduino. Here you can see when both sensors are high, 2 motors are going to rotate, means it will move in forward direction. Whenever the left sensor is high, that means left sensor comes on the black line, it will take right turn. Similarly, when right sensor come on the black line, it will take left turn.